I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're like me and you love to cook but you hate that splattery mess on your stovetop, then you need these awesome silicone splatter screens from Beckon Ware. This is the 13-inch splatter screen, and it has been such a lifesaver at preventing all of that grease and splatter that comes out of my pan. This splatter screen is made of a really durable food-grade silicone, and it just works so nicely on my pans. I have used these on a variety of different meals, from soups to just cooking a little chicken to even that worst kind of grease, bacon grease. This has protected my stovetop and kept everything right inside the pan. This actually worked out really well for me because it fit my cast iron pan set absolutely perfectly. I have the 13-inch for the larger one and the 11-inch for the smaller one. I was really impressed at just how well this laid all around the pan with a nice seal. One thing to note, when I was using this, I did notice as it heated up over the pan, especially from that steam, it did start to warp, but that is completely 100% normal. And afterwards, it went right back to its normal size and formation. These are so easy to clean too. They are dishwasher safe, but for me, I find it super easy to just hand wash them. The silicone is so smooth and so durable that with a little soap and water, they clean up so nicely. These splatter screens from Beckon Ware are truly a top-notch quality. They are a must-have kitchen accessory. So if you don't have any splatter screens in your kitchen, you have to try these and you will not be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.